2019 Hyundai Santa Fe. With less than 33,000 miles on the odometer, this SUV offers space as well as power and performance. Find what you are looking for and more with these extra features: lane keeping assist, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, heads-up display, satellite radio, navigation, premium sound system, turbocharged engine, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, parking aid sensor, heated side view mirrors, leather seats, panoramic roof, moonroof. Find your dream car and drive it home today.